Hi YouTube, I might be doing Minecraft videos if you help me out by liking my videos and getting up to 10 subs. So I only need 5 or if you get me 15 that'll be great. So like, comment, rate, subscribe and that will help my channel out, and I might be doing Minecraft videos with the Percy Gaming. So I'll put the link in the description probably. I'll try. But yeah, I will be doing Minecraft videos soon once I get up to 10 subscribers or 15 and up to 10 likes. So please help me out, guys, and get me more subs, please. Just want to be a bit more subscriber than my mate, please. I just need 10 or 15. So please help me out, YouTube. I'll do funny videos if you want me to, if you post it in the description, or I will probably do a video on my laptop soon about when it's Minecraft, and when I'll start doing Minecraft videos, and I'll do it with Bandicam or something like that. So yeah, please help me out YouTube and get me more subs and that, please, because I'll put my friend's channel in the description for you guys, and hopefully you'll probably be in one of their videos soon as possible. So if you do, and I'll be doing Minecraft videos with them once his laptop gets up. Well, my friend's laptop, the Percy Gaming. Well, once the leader of the YouTube channel is Percy. No, not Percy. Harry. So please help me out and subscribe to him as well. So yeah, please help me out, YouTube. Like, rate, comment, subscribe. Peace.